got here? A clapped out XP1K like normal.
I wouldn't say clapped out. Just needing some maintenance.
Aggressive maintenance?
Very aggressive maintenance.
Again?
Different this time.
Different? What's so different about it?
This time. No reverse, so that's cool. Training's gonna come out.
That's fun.
Which,
not too bad to do, but...
Really big deal, it's just annoying.
And
then I'll probably do all bearings and stuff and put the upgraded chain in it. I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it or not. If I keep it, I might just see how much turbo trains is. But I don't know.
Classic. Oh. Anyways, yeah.
She's filthy. That's just all this dirt here is just from the floorboard. There's probably about that much mud.
Well, I washed.
Thing.
I mean, yours is definitely way filthier than mine and Dad's was, but it took me an hour to just wash mine. Yeah. And I washed Dad's pretty fast, but yeah, it took a bit. They were filthy. I mean, a week's worth of muddy, watery riding, and I mean, that's just what it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna get cleaned up now because I don't know when I'm gonna get to it. It's probably gonna sit for a while.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the Predator going and do some content with that. I just need a break from side-by-sides.
I feel you.
I just want to ride a sport quad for a while.
Your trailing arm's getting pretty rusty down there.
Yeah, if we keep it, I'm gonna take the trailing arms off and radius rods, bumpers, and get them all painted back up pretty. Because you can buy touch-up paint from Polaris.
Yeah, I wish you could buy more than just touch-up paint though.
I don't even think that's really a true powder coat on this. I mean,
I don't think it's pretty thin. I don't think
it's a pretty heavy enamel paint. I think
it's it's really honestly these aren't powder coated. I think it's heavy enamel. Yeah, I would agree. No, they do good.
You can just touch it up with a spray can.
Yeah, I mean it works, but after a while the sand gets to it and stuff. I mean this is a 2018. I mean it's getting aged already, unfortunately, but it's
aged in 4 years.
Yeah. I know.
Right.
It sucks to say it, but it's true. Classic. Had to break out the custom four-wheeler bead breaker. Had to break them off. Typical. Had to do it on mine. Had to do it on Wyatt's. Now we're on yours. Classic Predator.
Hey.
On stock wheels. Those are probably the original wheels.
Yeah, they're the Troy Lee edition wheels.
Which those look a lot better than the stupid ones that on just the normal Predator. Those are stupid.
They weren't polished like this?
Oh, I'm not talking about the rims. I'm talking about the tire.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, they're all polished chrome. Except they're not polished anymore.
Nope, they're pretty spent, but we'll get them polished up one of these days when I just want to ride. And that's the only goal is now. There's gonna be some orange left on it, like orange seat, but
orange seat and orange shocks.
The person who had it before me was a little bigger and kind of cracked it, so I need to support it, and then I'll put a new seat cover on it.
There you go.
I just want to make sure I can fix it first before I buy it.
Yeah.
And I got orange spindles and one orange shock, which...
So we're going with the orange and red look. Yeah, I dig that.
I don't, but it's going to have to wait. The goal is to ride for the rest of the year and then reevaluate this winter.
Yeah, if you get it done by Saturday. I was thinking about riding, but I'm still waiting on my part for the bike, so I might not have anything to ride either Saturday. Wyatt said I could borrow his Predator, but we'll see. I know that's the thing. You don't have nothing to ride either. Yeah. Yeah. Brock has the worst luck when it comes to packages and mail. Someone stole his flywheel puller out of a package. Literally cut it open and everything.
Like for what reason? I mean, it was a $30 part. It wasn't even worth taking.
Someone thought it was worth taking at least.
Yeah,
or they probably opened and they're like, "What the hell is this thing?" And then they just threw it in the truck or something. It's probably laying in some mail truck right now. Uh-oh, we're in a different location. Some big boys over there. The scrub back in action.
It's about time. Like 3 weeks for this stupid part.
Yeah, and a lot of bad luck with shipping.
A lot of bad luck with shipping. That was actually the old part. I almost put the old part back on.
Jeez. Is it the right part this time?
It's been a long week. She fits. We're Gucci.
Oh yeah.
Back in business. Now I just need to get my diagram.
Typical players' problems. Always in pieces.
Maintenance.
Aggressive maintenance.
Well, this is just regular maintenance.
That's pretty aggressive. You're replacing third, fifth, and a piston, and
Piston by choice.
you know,
It was better safe than sorry,
a
man.
lot of other things. New fenders. A lot of new parts are going on in this machine.
20-something years old. Give her a break.
Oh, I thought it was quality though.
It is quality. It's just old. Old quality.
Old quality. Had to bring me along to show him how it's done.
Right.
I wouldn't have brought me along.
Easy. It's good content.
Content. She's gonna be a ripper tomorrow.
Freaking better. I'll be pissed off.
Typical fashion, we're doing things last minute to go riding tomorrow.
Only way to do it.
Only Braapaholics do a complete engine rebuild the day before.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's the only way to do it.
If I don't do it the day before, then what am I doing?
Yeah, it just never gets done. My mechanics don't think mechanic work's fun. I don't know why you thought it was gonna be.
I don't know. I thought this was going to be a good time. I don't know what I was thinking.
You saw a cheap quad and you got a little frisky.
Took an advantage of.
Yep. And now you're in it for the long run. That side wants to go down. It's this side that ain't going down. So is she a dirty girl?
She's dirty. She
likes it rough. She needed probably more pounds of hammering than it should have taken.
BFG. That's what I needed.
Yep. Very beautiful. Big ponies right there.
She's gonna rip. Not just rip. Freaking rip.
And if the scrub wasn't a scrub and actually recorded what he did previously, you guys would see what it was looking like already. But no.
I was busy. I was excited. You guys know the drill.
So we're going from shitty to half fancy looking when you guys see it here next. She's pristine. The quad looks like it came from the south. I don't know why. It just looks that clean. It doesn't look like it's been corroded much. Scrub things.
Yeah, pretty much. Someone has to do them. How's it me?
Tug was flying off.
From what?
You should have gotten a Polaris.
Polaris the only thing you want to get.
Oh, finally got the clutch on and stuff. We're in the home stretch on the engine. Had one minor hiccup. Cost us about 2 hours worth of work. So we're finally back in the shop after 4 hours. This was supposed to be what, an hour job? Supposedly.
I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, it was, she fought us every step of the way.
Yep.
For whatever reason.
No, that's the scrub way.
Pretty much. Can't be easy, can't be convenient, needs to be difficult. Last minute. That is the Braapaholic way. That is the scrub way.
It is always last minute, and it is now 10:30. So I'm gonna guess around 1 a.m. That's my plan. That's our goal.
I hope not. I want to go to bed.
We still gotta put the jug on and the head, and then put everything else back together. Which most of it's
Just fuel tank and plastics and
not a whole lot there. So
carburetor.
yeah, hopefully the carburetor's clean, right?
Swimming.
Well, we're in the home stretch. We just got the head on. We quit around 1 a.m. last night because we were tired and because we thought we screwed up, but we didn't. The tranny was just being a little sticky.
Clutch.
Clutch. Tranny, clutch, yeah. And we misplaced, I should say, Brock misplaced 2 of his engine dowels to put the head on, so. But we found them. Now we're in the home stretch. Hopefully we can rip her today. Hopefully this wasn't all for nothing. Well, we're at the point of trying to start it, but we have no power. This quad caught on fire at one point, so Brock attempted to do some wiring, but scrub be scrub.
Hey, I was 1 connection off, right?
2 connections off.
They all went to 1, so 1 connection
Okay.
off.
Oh. So anyways, we got power now. We're gonna fire her up and hopefully it works. This has been the longest quad project ever. I don't know why.
It's just been fighting this one, right? We still gotta cut the side skirt or the side panels and then put the front fenders on.
Yeah, that shouldn't take too long. Everybody's gonna be late to riding anyway, so it's gonna be a late riding sesh today.
We'll be on time.
It's not a. We should be there by now if we were on time. It's
compared to everyone else's standards.
Yeah. Darcy blows. She lives. Finally. Huh?
Idle's like not good.
Probably gotta adjust it. Right there. All right, first test ride. Make sure that everything's fine before we go any farther, which
Isn't much.
isn't much. It's just fenders. So we think the starter's probably shoddy or the one-way bearing.
Not very healthy.
Yeah, something. So what we could do later is steel white starter and see if it makes any difference. That'll tell you. Well, that's good news. It moves. Guess we're going straight down the road. Still needs tuned up pretty good. Backfires. She needs tuned up. As in the carburetor needs a little bit of looking at yet. So just gonna go through all the gears, make sure all the gears work. So it still has the engine grease and stuff in it. We've only ran it for about 3 minutes, so this is just Braapaholic fashion. We're literally just doing an engine rebuild the day of riding now. We are 2 hours behind schedule. which is fine because everybody else is too. So we're going to be taking Chevrolera's and the dirt bike and that down. Wyatt will be in the Razor. There might be some other people there. So we're just going to have a nice fun rip tonight. I was a little scared there for a minute. I didn't hear him. He's coming. I don't know if he has his phone on him either, so if he would have broke down. No, so far so good. Sounds like she's ripping pretty good. Brack's quad has a full HMF exhaust on it. His header pipes are actually skinnier than stock, so I'm wondering if that creates more back pressure, maybe to give it a little bit more horsepower. Not really sure how that works. Now, I had a full big gun exhaust on mine before I got rid of it, and it ripped pretty good.